911. This is an emergency alert to all in the Culver Nation and all YouTube supporters of Culver Clan and Flying Monkey 1, etc. Please be aware that there is an individual called Mascot. He is a pedophile because he has messaged a 15-year-old and had a sexually charged conversation with this minor. Not only he is a pedophile, he also bullies and picks on people with disabilities. So beware of this pedophile and bully because he likes doxing people and he has white knights taking up for him like Vanessa Jane and Lady C. Also be advised that he has a fake-ass wife, Stephanie Montalvo. She likes to run her gums and show no receipts.